In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can add a note or comment in your Google Sheets. So let's get started. First is you need to open your Google Sheets, okay? And in here, you just have to select the cell that you want to put a note or a comment. So let's say for example, we are going to choose the E7 cell. You can also increase its this space for it, okay, like that. And in order to put a note in here, so first you have to select the cell and then look at the ribbon at the top and you can find all these tabs. Now we just need to simply click on the insert tab and then scroll down and you can find note. You can also press shift and F2 on your keyboard. And then we just need to type in here the note. Let's say for example, we're going to type command. Okay? Command 1. And then let's click on the open space. Now you will notice this triangle on the top right pane, okay? So this is the command. So if I'm going to click on any of these cells, I can't see the note, but if I'm going to click on this and there is this triangle, I can see the note that I put into this cell. Okay, so that is how you can insert a note or add a note in your Google Sheets. If you're going to click on that, if you're just going to click on that and not the triangle, it will still give you the note that you have put in your cell in your Google Sheets. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.